Today we're going to learn how to make money online. I'm going to show you somebody that's making $250,000, okay, online, doing simple selling a simple service online. Okay, they're going to use Fiverr.com, and I'm going to show you on Fiverr how you can do it. But you could also build yourself your own web page, run your own ads on Google, Facebook, and get your own clients and get your own email list going and start a good affiliate marketing business. Okay, so we're going to jump inside. I'm going to show you Fiverr. I'm going to show you what you need to do, and stick with me. Okay, here we are on Fiverr. Let me move over here. Okay, Fiverr is a place where you can sell services. Whatever service you have, it's an easy place to sell services, a marketplace for services. Come up here to the search bar. We're going to learn, first we're going to search for SEO report now. SEO report, people have websites and they want to rank on Google. They want to rank on page 1 of Google. They want to be in the top 3, top 5. You know, if they're a business, they want to be in the map pack. They want to be in the top 3 of the map pack. So you could sell them an SEO report. An SEO report is a search engine optimization report, so they can be picked up in the search engines and rank on Google. Now, some of these on pages, off pages, okay. This guy, the first one right over here, on page, off page audit. Okay, he's going to create an SEO audit report and an action plan to implement it. Okay, let's click on just to click and see what it is. So he's going to create an SEO audit report and action plan and implement it. Okay, it reports errors and shows how to fix them. Show if you've been penalized by Google. See an action plan to rank your site. He's going to check on-site and off-site search. Okay, this is all the stuff he's going to do for you, and he's going to charge you $25 for the premium. Okay, actually, this is the basic program is $25. The standard program is $45, and the premium is $110. A lot of people are going to go for the $45. We're going to stick to it and say that only the basic program. Okay, so he's got 1,000 reviews. Now, if you know anything about reviews, it's really hard to get reviews. So if you got 1,000 reviews, about 10% of people leave reviews. Okay, so 1,000 reviews, and we said 10% of them, so 10%, that would be 10,000 reviews. So 10,000 sales, I mean. So if it was 10,000 sales, 10% of that would be 1,000 reviews. And we said that they were going to pay $25 for each report. So he's made $250,000. Okay, he made $250,000 selling these so far. Not sure how long he's doing it. Okay, but that's what he's done. Now let's talk about you saying, "Hey, wait a minute, I can't do that." Okay, Builderall is the most complete digital marketing platform out there. Usually, I'm pushing, showing you how to use sales funnels and email marketing with them. But they have 30 tools and 30 apps to make money, and SEO Report is one of them. One of the 30 tools. So if you go over to Builderall, and if I go up to the top where it says apps, okay, now these are all the apps Builderall has. Okay, now we're going to be going over to the SEO report. Okay, so the SEO report, we're going to plug in one of my old sites, so nothing crazy is going to go on here. So we're going to go here, and we're going to, and way back Builderall did a 3.0. They're in the 4.0 launch now, so 3.0 is old. But this is an old website that I ranked #1 on Google by using the SEO report. So you put in the website you want to rank for. You put in the keywords that your target keywords that you want to rank for, and you send it, and it's going to give you a report. Okay, so here it is. Received an A grade. Okay, it received an A grade. Now, just so you know, the first time I put it through here, it didn't receive an A grade. I kept having to, put it through, and I'll show you. So the first thing it says accessible to engines. It is. If it wasn't, it would tell me what to do. Okay, to get it that way. This is the report. And this is very valuable to people who are trying to get their page ranked on Google. So all of these have check marks over here. So they're all good, all of these, okay? Now, the first top ones are the critical factors. and you want to go 4 for 4 on the critical factors. And then there is high relevance factors, and you want to go 7 for 7 there. Okay, and of course, they're not going to be, you're going to click on it, you're going to explain to them what they're going to need to do in order to get the check mark over here. And, the funny thing is, you can give them the SEO report for the first one for the $25, and then they're going to want to come back after they make the changes and get another one, and come back after they make more changes and get another one and another one. Okay, so it's not a one-time sale. So you scroll down, as you can see, I've done a lot of work on this website, but there's a couple of things that don't have checks. So this one's appropriate characters in the URL. Now I know that because I didn't buy a URL for this with the keyword in it, and that's pretty much what it says to do. The recommendation is to review the URL and contain only standard characters. So I probably have, because it's a subdomain, it's got a bunch of different characters that aren't standard characters. So if I had if I bought a domain, this would be a check over here, and that's how you would increase your SEO engine report grades. Okay, and the same thing over here, the appropriate keyword usage in the H1 tag. I don't have a keyword in the H1 tag. I know that's an easy remedy. Let's click on here. It says employ between 1 and 2 instances of the keyword in the H1 tag. That's the recommendation. It gives you an explanation of what it is, okay, and what to do about it. Now, you can sell these. Of course, you're saying, if I sell it on Fiverr, there's a lot of competition on Fiverr. Well, I'll tell you what, you're going to build yourself a website. You're going to have a landing page. You're going to collect people's emails. You're going to put ads on Google or Facebook or anywhere, really, ads, and you're going to put ads. You want to get your website ranked on Google. $25 on-page report with explanations on what to do to change to get your site ranked, and you just put it out there, and you're going to get traffic. And it's a valuable niche, high profit niche to digital marketing, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, making money online. You get a good email list in that, and you can make a lot of money. Okay, so like and subscribe to the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below what you thought about this. Now, this is selling services. You can say to yourself, I don't know how to do this. It's very simple. Builderall has all the tutorials, all the training. I'm going to leave a trial, $1 trial for the 30 tools for 30 days to try it out. You get everything for $1 for 30 days, no strings attached. You can quit it at any time. But if you're interested in becoming an internet marketer, making money online, affiliate marketer, digital marketer, any kind of way to make money online, Builderall is the best platform to have, because they have 30 different options on ways to make money, whether it's sales funnels, whether it's email marketing, whether it's selling these services. Okay, now you can also use this in your own website. Now you're going to have a website that you're going to be selling SEO services on. You want to rank that website on Google. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to use this you're going to use the SEO report on your own website to rank on Google.